So I'm actually really excited that all my items are under $40 because I just might get them. You know, I'm not rich over here. Hi guys, it's Jamaica Janelle. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the bell for notifications. Today, what I will be doing is an unboxing for Nadine West, which is a subscription box company. For those of you guys who saw my last video, I did a Stitch Fix unboxing. It is basically the same concept. However, they're two separate companies, so they work slightly different. So today is going to be solely Nadine West unboxing to see how everything looks. So I'm super excited to see what they have come up with. Hopefully I have some cute jewelry or some cute shoes to accessorize with. All right, let's go ahead and see what we have. And so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So while I'm opening this, I was a little upset that it wasn't in a box because it's a subscription box company, not a subscription bag. And I was expecting it to come through UPS or FedEx, you know, just at my doorstep, but it was in my mailbox. And to be honest, I don't necessarily check my mailbox as often as I need to. So to be honest, I don't even know when this came. But after you open the packet, it comes with two little items here rolled up. Actually, I'm not too sure what's inside of them. They're clothes. And then it also has a packaging label with your receipt. And so the receipt just goes over the items that you have, how much each item is worth, and just basically what the next steps that you need to do. It's very simple here. Very simple. So it doesn't have how much all of my items are together, but they're all under $40. So I'm actually really excited that all my items are under $40 because I just might get them. You know, I'm not rich over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what they have. So the first bag looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and the sticker says Nadine West. Alright, so the first item is this little dress. To be honest, I'm not really feeling it. The fabric is very nice. It's like this cotton material. And it's from Zena Premium. So it's a premium brand. It's a dress. It's not something I'd wear. So sad. So that's one item. The next is in this cute little fun wrapping. I'm gonna open it. Okay. Oh, it's a couple things. Oh, these earrings are so cute. I don't know if you can see them. I can zoom in on them. These earrings are really pretty. They look kind of vintage. You tell me how these look in the comments. I think I'm gonna keep them. And the next item are these cute little pants. These stretchy material, has this cotton feel to them. These are from Heart Hips. So hopefully these make my hips heart. I don't know. I like them. Something casual to just take a walk in the park or even chill at home, to be honest. We'll see how they look on. The last item, this t-shirt. T-shirt's kind of cool. It's pretty basic. And then it has these pearls on the end of the shirt, on the end of the sleeve. And it kind of looks pretty cheesy. It's pretty cheaply put together in my opinion. But it is different. So I kind of do like the idea that it's different. And this is from West Coast Love. So everything is under $30. Everything is under $40. And so I can go over how much each item is, because to be honest, if this shirt is like the $40 price point, I'm not getting it. It's not worth it. I feel like the $40 price point might be these pants because they feel really sturdy. The pants have a really nice quality to them. They're not cheaply made, but they don't seem like they're cheaply made, if that's better. So yeah, don't wanna prolong. I'm going to try everything on and see how they look. So this is the first shirt that I am trying on, the basic black shirt with the pearls. You know, it's not bad. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. So it is a basic shirt, a basic black shirt. And the only thing that I would say is, you know, kind of eye-catchy are the sleeves. They do catch your eye, but like I said, I feel like it's kind of cheaply put together. Like the material of the shirt is like cotton material, and then the beads are like something you can get from the Dollar Tree. And that's just my opinion, you know? It's just my opinion. But let me know what you guys think of this shirt down in the comments below and see if it's worth it. Let me just pull up the price of it. 1 second. This shirt from Kalani or whoever is $26.99. Now, tell me if this shirt looks like it's worth $26.99. Let me know in the comments. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try on the next item. So I'm gonna go ahead and step closer so you can see the earrings a little bit more clear. Those are the earrings, and the earrings are $11.99. So that's a typical price for a pair of nice earrings. So let me know what you guys think about these earrings in the comments below. I might just keep these on. It's cute. The pants, I tried them on. They fit pretty nice. There's a lot of extra room in them. The pants are the type of pants that are supposed to fit you tight around the hips and loose around the butt and the legs and everywhere else down. Because it's just those type of pants and that type of material. I like it, and also the way the light shines off of the pants make them really shiny. I did try on the top and bottoms just to see how they look on together, and I must say I look like I work in a hospital. Yeah, they look like scrubs. Like, let me know what you think of that down in the comments. Tell me like whatever you guys think that it looks like. I think I look like a nurse. Yes. What occupation do you think I have? All right, let's go and clip it. I think the pants have potential. I just don't like the way they fit on me. As far as if I'm going to keep them, I'm on the fence, probably not. So they're called the Katie Wide Leg, and they're black. They're $24.99. So that's pretty much a general price range for some pants like these. This is the dress, and I like it. It's cute. I like the pattern that they have up here. What do you call this? Like checkered V-neck, you know, extravaganza, whatever. But it looks cute, you know. It kind of makes my cleavage look nice and makes them good. I don't have much, but the sleeves are long and they fit really nice. It's not like hanging too far past my wrist. I actually have my necklace on from the beginning. I can take it off. The necklace definitely clashes with the dress, so I can go ahead and take that off. This is the dress without any other distractions, and I still have my earrings because these are so cute. I'm keeping them. So let me know what you guys think of this dress down in the comments below. The bottom of the dress, it doesn't really form to my hips. It flows like really nice, like a nice summer dress or a nice dress that you can wear to the beach if you have a bathing suit underneath it. I think that'll look really cute. But as far as something to wear just a night out, it doesn't really fit my style. Maybe a little bit. I could probably dress this up really nice with some boots and a belt. I do like the color of this dress. I don't really have a lot of gray in my closet, so if I get this dress, it'll definitely bring out some colors in my closet. So that's a plus with this dress, and I like the long sleeve. But then at the same time, it is gonna start getting warm. I live out here in Florida, and it was like 80 degrees today, so I don't know. Overall, I think Nadine West could have done a slightly better job at putting items in the box for me. Maybe it was my fault because I didn't express what I wanted wholly. I think I just filled out the quiz and I said like probably pretty basic stuff because I just wanted to see what they had. But you know, I did say I did say that I was a college student and that I'm, you know, a mother. So maybe they saw that and was like, okay, we'll give you hospital gowns. I don't know. I think the best item was the earrings. As you can see, I'm still wearing them because they're just amazing and I love it. It just looks good with me, and I just feel like it kind of completes this look here. So Nadine West, you did a good job with completing my current look. I'm gonna try them for a couple more months, see where it goes from there. You know, just like any person, any relationship, you can't just like start out knowing exactly what a person wants or what a person likes. So I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not gonna shut them out. I'm going to wait it out and see. So if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and go ahead and hit the bell for notifications because I will be posting every week. And next week, I'm actually going to be comparing Stitch Fix and Nadine West and see which one, just to see the pros and cons of each company. So I'm really excited about that video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.